Hello. Now today the note we will examine is the second note below the C. Remember that the second note below the C has an higher octave that we have examined, which has 1 and 2 verb fingering chant. Now the lower one has 1 and 2 also as a fingering chant, but the difference is the position of the lips is so loosed, like this. The fingering chart is similar to E, but don't forget that the airflow determines the pace, the level, and the height or the depth of any note. So with this note, A, lower A, below C, you have a sound like this. The note is really below C. This is what C sounds like. Now you have the lips position is so loose and relaxed. Now let's examine the exercises displayed following the same pattern. Don't forget the fingering chart is 1, 2 with a very relaxed lip position. Thank you.